The first word in this chapter is work. So let me ask you one question. What do you think is work? If I tell you that I sat on laptop, like I did some work on my laptop, and is it calculated as work in physics term? Then the answer would be no. Why? There should be two things when we are talking in physics that it will count as work done. So when you have to say that work is completed, so which are those two things? The first and foremost thing is the force. Force should be applied on an object in order to complete the work. Now, when I was doing work on my laptop, was some force was applied? Okay, you will say the fingertips were moving and it is the muscular force. Okay, but still there is the second important thing. When physics is considered, what is the second important thing? There should be displacement. The object, when an object is displaced. So now connect these two things with the example which I have given you, that I sat on a table and did something on my laptop. At that time, does any displacement happened? Answer is no. That's why this will not be counted as work. Now, second important thing, consider a huge rock, and if I'm trying to apply force on that rock. Now in this example, force has been applied, but because of its lot of weight, what is happening? The force is not able to push the stone. So in this case, what I will say, I have done some work, but in physics terms, what we will say, okay, force was applied, but there is no displacement of that rock, and hence it is not counted as work done.